And next, let's talk about the limitations of the old stack before we look at the new stack. So the old stack, it was meant for simpler scenarios, smaller data sets. So maybe you just have maybe a few gigabytes or tops, just a few dozens of gigabytes of data, definitely not hundreds of gigabytes of data. And you don't have enough variety of data sources. You just have maybe some simple file formats, traditional SQL Server, Oracle styled database servers. So that is where it used to be good. But in just a bit, we'll see that the modern technologies, they are meant for the modern problems. So now we have different types of problems, and this is no longer sufficient. But in general, for simpler scenarios, create our ETL pipeline, create our warehouse, implement data modeling, also known as semantic modeling, and then create reports. It used to be okay. But no, this is pretty much dead area now. If you're still using any of these technologies, you're using the modern trend. So you will otherwise still get stuck with lots of bottlenecks, like your data size, it ever grows out of proportion, it becomes gigantic. You will not be able to handle insane amount of data load by using your traditional technologies. If you have machine learning requirements where you want to predict your data, actually big data, large data, you have high volume or large volume, high velocity, and variety of data available, then machine learning will not be enough based on the tools that you're using as part of your classic BI stack. And we also didn't have any support for AI, generative AI in the older tools. And there's also no streaming support, live data streaming support in the classic tools. So think of, let's say, Uber 911 sort of services where you want to get data in real time and you want to process it in real time. So the classic BI stack is not capable of doing several things that are typically expected these days. So most companies usually have the requirement to process huge volume of data, or have live real-time streaming of data, or to implement machine learning, or in fact, even deep learning on complex data sets that can take several hours or even days at times to process that data.